हाय दोस्तों, आप सभी को हमारे YouTube चैनल में स्वागत है। वेलकम बैक टू आवर YouTube चैनल। दिस वीडियो इज़ पर्टिकुलरली फॉर बिहार स्टेट. If you have any vehicle, two-wheeler, three-wheeler, four-wheeler or any other multi-utility vehicle, how to check the status of the vehicle, I mean whether it is blacklisted or not. You can check any vehicle. It should not be your own vehicle. You can check others' vehicle also. Also you can check the challan against this vehicle. I mean, if any RTO fine is there, RTO challan is there, you have done any violation, so your vehicle has some RTO challan, also you can check online. But for this you can check only for your vehicle, because you need vehicle registration number and chassis or other engine number last 5 digits. I will show you quickly how this can be done. Also you can pay off, you can clear off your challan online itself. This also we will see quickly, friends. What you can do is, you can do from mobile, laptop, computer, any of your device. What you can do, just open a Google search page and here you just search for vehicle blacklist check. So as you can see, this is the string you are going to search, friends, vehicle blacklist check. So after that, please click on the first link. As you can see, vahanparivahan.gov.in. make sure this is gov.in. okay, you can see here pending e-challan blacklist. So when you click there, you can just scroll down here and you can enter the registration number. So friends, you can check any vehicle's number. It should not be your own vehicle. You can check against any vehicle. Okay, so I am giving a Bihar vehicle number here. I am sorry, I am asking the number, and I click on show details here, and you can see here this vehicle blacklisted. Okay, so what is the reason? Because we can check the reason also here, when it was which state. You can see here Bihar, Patna, and registration number is there. There is some FIR against it, and this vehicle does not have any challan. That means there is no fine to be paid, but this has some case or something against this vehicle. It is a blacklisted vehicle. So now how to check the blacklist details, friends? So this is the FIR number. Please note down this 0519, and it is in Kagwal police station. Okay, so you have to remember these two things, Kagwal police station and 519 FIR number. Please note down this, otherwise write down, or please take a screenshot of this. Okay, so that we are going to check online what is the FIR number against this vehicle. Okay, I am taking a screenshot here. Now after that, I am again going back to Google because I wanted to check, I wanted to download the FIR details of this vehicle. I had to see what is the case against this vehicle. What you can do is search for Bihar FIR status, and this click on the first link. You can also here, this is also from government website. Okay, and here you select the district first. Here in our case it was Patna, so I am selecting Patna, and after that police station. You don't need to do anything, friends, just leave it like that, let it be all. Okay, only district I am filling in, that's okay, no problem, because you might not know the police station. So here we are searching by FIR number. Please select this option, dosto, because we know the FIR number. We have taken the FIR number from the other website. So I have selected FIR number here, and then I am entering the FIR number 0519 was the FIR number, friends. And after that, please click on the search button. So you are going to search for this. I click on the search button. Now page has come up. This is Bihar government FIR status. You can see here there are a lot of FIR number with same number. You can see here FIR number, and complainant name is there, who is the complainant. And if you scroll down, friends, now how we will make out which is the FIR we are looking for. For that, friends, you remember FIR was 519 and police station. This is the thing. It was Kagwal police station for us. And so please come back here, dosto, and just scroll right down. You can see here on the top there is a police station. Okay, this is the tab I am talking about. So under this you have to search for this police station Kagwal, because it has happened in Kagwal police limits. So please scroll down, friends. All these are 519 FIR number, but we are searching for the police station. So you can see here only one entry is there, Kagwal police station. Okay, so here dosto, just scroll right, and as you can see here, FIR details are here. Okay, so you have to click on this Acrobat icon. This is the place where you are going to download FIR copy against this vehicle. Just click here. So when you click here, it gets downloaded. As you can see here, I have handwritten copy of FIR number against this vehicle. I'm not explaining all the details, but also you can download it, print it, or you can read it to know what is the problem against this vehicle, and accordingly you can contact the police station and get it cleared, pay fine or whatever, and get the blacklist mark to be removed from your vehicle. So this is how you remove, or this is how you work out when you have a blacklist problem. Now again we are going back to blacklist check URL, because now we have checked only the blacklist issue. Let us take another registration number of Bihar, another vehicle. So let us quickly search the details. So this time I will show you the other details of challan. It's not blacklisted. Let us quickly see. I clicked on the show details. You can see here blacklist, no record found. That means this vehicle is clear. It's not blacklisted by any authority, but it has challans against it. That means driver would have done some mistake, a lot of things. So that is coming under history of challan. Okay, so all the history of this vehicles has fines, it will be showing here dosto. So what you can do, friends, just scroll right down. You can see you can see the description here. Okay, what are the mistakes, everyone one by one you can see here. For example, ऐसे speed limit में problem है, then speed limit has he has a rash driving, or he is not displaying number plate properly, unlawful act. All these issues are written here, and if you scroll down, challan date is there, date and time is there. Okay, so when did it occur? Because what was the problem, when did it occur, and then you can see here which RTO, under which RTO, who is accused, name. And here, friends, last one is very important. Pending 4 channels are there. Other 3 challans are paid by cash, so he has paid, but now 4 challans are still pending. How to pay this online? Okay, I will quickly show you. You can clear this off online itself. If it is not very old, if it is very old you can't clear, I will show you how this can be done. For that, again go back to Google search page. Okay, and here, friends, please search for vehicle challan payment online. Okay, previously we searched for blacklist reasons, and now vehicle challan payment online. And as you can see here, this is also government website. How to see that? .gov.in, echallan.parivahan.gov.in. Make sure you are clicking on the right link, and also you are not fooled by other websites. So if you scroll down, you have options of searching, paying the challan details. First you have to search. We select the vehicle number, because I don't know the challan or DL number. Okay, I am just searching by vehicle number. So you have to enter 2 things, friends. One is the vehicle number, and another is chassis or engine number, last 5 digits, not fully. Okay, last 5 digits. So you have to know these 2 things. So first I enter the vehicle number, and in my case I know the chassis number. I entered both, and then I enter the CAPTCHA here and click on the get details button. So friends, it loads quickly, and as you can see, okay, sorry, something mistake I did. I'm doing it correctly now. Yeah, so this you can see here, challan has loaded, and this vehicle has total 7 challans. Okay, I changed my view because it was not visible in mobile, so I changed to portrait view. So as you can see here, there is an receipt where you can click and download your channel. Okay, 7 entries will be there. I am showing you only 1 entry. Okay, you can select all the 7 entries and see all the 7 fines for this vehicle. Every vehicle may not have. So this case I have clicked on this and downloaded. As you can see here, penalty was 2000 rupees. Okay, and why this penalty also clearly explained in this receipt, from where, why did you get the penalty. Now what you can do is, here I am going to clear my penalty. So as you can see below, there is a pay now option. Okay, so you can pay now. So friends, I am just scrolling, just enlarging it. Okay, I click on pay now. First I have to enter my mobile number, so you have to do it as an owner of the vehicle, that is better. And then click on the send OTP button. You can see here I received an OTP. Okay, and after that, okay, I enter the OTP here, and after entering the OTP I click on submit button here, and it just refresh, and as you can see, this is the payment option, friends. So you can clearly I just enlarged it again, changed my view. So you can see here 2000 rupees I'm going to pay, friends. And what is the payment mode? You can select different modes are there here. Okay, SBI, net banking, all the options are there. Don't worry, there is no extra charges as of now. I can see here credit card has some extra charge for other banks, but do not accept this. Select SBI bank, credit card, debit card, whatever, and after that you can click on the confirm button. Scrolling down you can see here transaction ID, friends, and after that again once more you have to confirm. This will take you to your merchandise web page of SBI, and you can clear it off just entering your credentials online. Okay, thank you very much for watching. You can download the receipt after this going to the same place. If you have any queries, please let us know. Please give a like to this video, friends, and also I request you to subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much. See you with another video.